here's a little tour of the mountain. As you can see in the last turn, there's kind of unevenness in there. It's not as clean as Palomar and the road. They definitely take care of the road better in Palomar. But this road's pretty clean given the fact that they get snow and it's 11,000 feet at the top and there's a lot of environmental stuff going on. So given the situation, it's pretty clean. That turn right there, there's a little groove in it you have to watch out for. You just gotta think. It's like you gotta do in any mountain, you gotta think. At this point, I'm pretty close to the top. There's another straightaway, and then there's another curve, and then you're at the top. So I'll spin it around here for you. We'll go down. There's not many bikes on the mountain. I kind of like to find somebody to ride with, but at the same time, I'm not pressured, and they're not worried about people nailing me or anything. So that's kind of cool. I've met a couple people. Looks like a lot of people try to get out. The regular riders and the racers will get out really early. So I need to start getting on that. Otherwise, you know, it's just a bunch of people cruising around. More cars up there than anything else. I was marching to the wrong drum, the wrong scum, missing out the wrong energy, using all the wrong lines and the wrong signs. Something else I should note, as you can see by that sign, pretty much the top portion of the mountain is 25. Yeah, slow. Even though there's some passing lanes. I don't know why there's a couple of passing lanes, but it's only 25. We get down to about midway down, it's 35, and then on the bottom it's 45. So any fun stuff, 25. Yeah, people are doing that. The cars are. So there's a divot in the road here. It's coming up on the turn. It's going to be on the inside about 2 feet in from the yellow, and it's right about there. That was it. God, that's a nasty one in the wrong spot. Turn coming up is kind of a nasty one in the winter. It's shaded, especially going up and going down. But there's also some little bumps right around here. You see the camera shake. Doesn't seem like much in the camera, but you kind of feel it. Not huge, but being wintertime and it's shaded and there's any kind of moisture, you're going down. you, sir. So coming up here is my turnaround point. I guess you could say mid-mountain. Anything from here down is pretty kind of like wide turns. Wide, really wide, almost kind of straight wide. There's a couple nice sweepers, long ones. Pretty much everything from this point down is kind of so that's about it. Sandia Mountain. It ain't no Palomar, but that's what we got. I didn't give you some at the bottom, I didn't give you some at the top, I didn't give you some in the middle, but you get the gist. That's what I get to ride on the weekends. We made a